Cockroaches, lizards, centipedes, earwigs, and other pests crawling throughout your home is weird, especially when you are in the middle of enjoying your delicious food. When almost all the corners of your home are shared by these often unseen invaders, they pose dangers to your personal hygiene and health. They can even be poisonous if they manage to insert themselves in the process of food preparation. To make matters worse, small kids often do not know the dangers of these pests and might touch them or even try to catch them. You might consider calling a pest controller, who will take a good sum of money to remove them, sometimes only for a limited time, after which, insects again attack your home. Though we might all know some traditional methods to keep these pests away, these tips and tricks may not always be consistent enough to tackle the problem. In an effort to help you regain a sense of safety in where you live, however, here are some home remedies to keep most all small pests out of your hair for good. Ants. Cut cucumbers into small slices and place them on the likely entry point of ants in your kitchen. Ants have a natural instinct to avoid the fragrance of cucumber. Bitter cucumber slices work better. Soap water spray works well against ants. It kills ants and stops their movement further. Crushed mint leaves or mint tea bags are a good anti-ant agent. A mixture of mint apple jelly and boric acid is a deterrent against pharaoh ants. Put cut-out cloves in the crack deck to kill the ants settled in the cracks. To kill ants in their colony, mix 1 liter of water, 1 teaspoon of borax, and 1 cup of sugar. Put some cotton balls in the solution and place them in a yogurt container with holes punched inside to allow ants access. The ants will carry this bait into their home or colony, where they will die eventually upon eating them. Cockroaches. We use many products available in the market to keep away roaches. The best way to keep them out of your kitchen, however, is to keep it very neat and clean. If roaches exist in your house, wash everywhere with a strong soap solution. When placed at their entry points, sliced cucumbers deter the presence of cockroaches. Diatomaceous earth is a non-toxic alternative to chemically made products that work for killing cockroaches. It can be sprinkled over the areas where you see them most often. The tiny particles cut away the waxy exoskeleton and usually kills the roaches within 2 days. This product also dehydrates the cockroaches, so it is important to cover all water storage in your house. Spraying soap water directly on cockroaches kills them instantly. You can also make a mixture of equal quantities of boric acid powder, sugar, and cornmeal, and place it over the high-traffic areas of roaches. It will act as a poison and kill them. Cockroaches like high places. Place boric powder over kitchen cabinets and in the spaces between the ceiling and cabinets. Boric powder is poisonous in nature for roaches and will kill all other roaches when they come in contact with a boric powder-infected one. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes most often breed in standing water and dirty areas. So, it is very necessary to keep your surroundings clean and airy. Take concrete measures to remove standing water sources. A solution of garlic juice used as spray repels the mosquitoes for up to 6 hours. Add 1 part of garlic juice and 5 parts of water to make the mixture, and spray it all over your body. It is non-toxic and very effective. The oil extracted from the leaves of neem trees is very effective and non-toxic. You can apply neem oil on the exposed skin to deter mosquitoes. It is also good nourishment for the body to kill other harmful bacteria that attacks our immune system. The marigold plant gives out a fragrance that repels mosquitoes and other bugs. You can plant marigold in your garden or yard to effectively deter mosquitoes. Thai lemongrass is an effective mosquito deterrent plant as well. It contains citronella, which is safe for humans. Break a stalk from the clump of the plant, and peel off the outer leaves until you find a scallion-like stem at the base. Rub the stem between your palm vigorously, it will turn into a pulpy, juicy mass. Now rub this all over your exposed body. Mosquitoes will not dare come near you. Flies. The best way to keep away flies is to keep your house and surroundings neat and clean. Small sachets of mint leaves in crushed form can also be placed around the home to restrict flies from entering your house. Your dog can also help to restrict flies' entry into your house. If you feed your dog yeast, they will give off a scent that repels flies. Eucalyptus oil is good in repelling flies as well. Pour a few drops of it on a cotton cloth, and place it in the areas where flies are a problem. It will deter them from entering the house. Flush out your drain with hot boiling water and bleaching powder to eliminate the infestation of flies in the drainage system. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, to subscribe to the Engineer AJ Lard's channel, How to Make Home.